Citroen believes that in order to succeed in today's market, it needs to cover most mainstream vehicle segments, and as a result, it's now plotting a new flagship Saloon. The vehicle will serve as a replacement to Europe's discontinued C5 and China's larger C6, and it's expected to arrive in 2019 to 2020, reports Autocar. What it won't be is a new C5, said Citroen CEO, Linda Jackson. But there will be a new large Saloon, because having one in the lineup is a crucial part of being a big manufacturer. To be credible, you need a range across small, medium, and large cars, including SUVs. Do that well, and you cover the requirements of volume and profit to succeed in this business across fleet and private sales. The French brand's boss revealed that new sedan will incorporate styling cues seen on the 4.85 meters long Experience concept presented in 2016 at the Paris Auto Show. Like all concept cars, it was made to test reaction, and the car will evolve. But, and I know I'm biased, I loved it. It will inspire the production car, and it gave a view of a luxury flagship without any of the traditional cues of chrome, leather or lacquered wood. It had an air of the slightly avant-garde that will make it to production. It can also be the showcase for our ideal of redefining comfort, in terms of the interior and the ride and handling balance using our new advanced comfort suspension. More importantly, the new flagship Saloon will help Citroen improve its sales in China, their second biggest global market, as large modern saloons continue to sell very well there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe CarBizReviews channel.